Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can use Notion. First of all, I'm going to show you the settings, what is really important, how you can change your profile picture, etc. Then I will show you how you can edit the page, like what are the really tips and tricks. And then I will show you how you can create database, table, and also list, go-to list, and just really simple stuff. I mean, Notion is really intuitive. I'm using Notion daily, and I just love this platform. Comparing to Trello, comparing to others, Notion is just on another level. But that's just me. Maybe you won't like it, but I think you will if you just find your way in it. Like, for example, I have the week here: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Then I have like ideas for my gaming channels. And it's amazing that I have like income versus expenses here. And I'm going to show you literally everything. And I'm like telling you right now, when you're going to finish this video, you will know everything about Notion. So I'm going to close my camera now. So I'm not in a camera. And I'm going to show you step-by-step process. Now, first, go to settings and members on the left side. When you're going to click it, choose dark mode. This is really important. I recommend doing that only because it's going to be really good for your eyes and your eyes won't suffer that much. Then you have like the My Account. You can change profile picture. You can change name. This is like simple stuff. Then you have like your workspace here that again, you can change icon of your workspace and you can change the workspace name if you want to. And then you have members here that you can actually add members. These things are really simple to do, right? No, so let's continue further. When you have it, what you can do in the left top corner is to also create a work account or create a new workspace. This is important if you want to have different workspace for your work and then different workspace for your home. Now, when we have it, let's just, I don't know, just click on the getting started and let's just create some text and let's just show how it works. When you're gonna, like above the title, you can add an icon, which is going to change the icon for your page. This is really good if you want to have like change the days or whatever, the page icons. Then you can add a cover. Simply you can change it by uploading or from Unsplash. It's like really up to you which one you choose. I, for example, really like the wave. For me, I'm like the guy with the on waves, so I'm always going on a wave, and that's just me that I like. And it's bugged right now, so I don't know what happened. Okay, so when I have it, now it's changed. Oh, okay, now like this. It's going to change for a while. Okay, here we go. You can also reposition it like this. Save reposition. Now, when we have it, you can come here to your text and let's just start what you can do. I will just delete this one. You can go enter and just press slash and you can add basic blocks as a text, page, to-do list, numbers, quotes, divider, inline mention a person, emojis. You can also add table. This will be like last thing on the video I'm going to show you how to do. And also boards. These are really cool stuff. And then you can like add a media, image, video, and everything. This is simple stuff. The first thing I'm going to show, which is really important, is how we can actually add a column and how we can create the columns in Notion. This is good for if you want to have like page divided. So I will just add here text 1, 2, 3, right? Then what you can do also is just when you're gonna mark it, you can change turn into heading code. Then you can add a comment for it. You can bold, and then you can add a link for it, or like change and highlight the color if you want. So these are the things that you can do. Now, when I have it, I can like it. Let's copy it. I'm going to add a new, and I will take. You can just drag to move this segment, or how would I call it, and just paste it here. Right when I do it, I'm going to create a 2 columns. What can I do again is just like text 1, 2, 4. Again, I can edit here. And I'm going to create, look at this, 3 columns right now. What you can do also if you want to is let's just, I don't know, let's just, if we want to have a vertical divider between columns, it's really simple. So what you can do is to click here and quote and add a divider like this. And I can delete this one if I want to, or click here and delete it. Straight away, I can just start writing here. And voila, here we have it. If I want to do it like this, I can. But yeah, this is how you can divide it. Then what you can do also is to add simple divider, which is going to be horizontal one. But I'm going to add it like this. This is going to be on a full page, right? Now, what I recommend also is going right top corner to style and changing everything to full width. So this is something I prefer to do everywhere. So this is how we can actually use on the page settings. Now, what I really like to do also is to add templates right here. And you're gonna see it here, you can actually choose. So for example, for my goals, for every day what I want to do, I choose this. And then I renamed my goal to like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then I would just move my for doing here and just really play around it as much as you want. Now, to go even further, we can go travel planner. And there are so many things that you can use. Sales, education, even marketing. So many things that you can actually do. I mean, you can really play around with anything here. So this is how you can add templates, and you just like use the template and then you would just use it. It's really cool. And then you just personalize it as much as you want. And now let's just show you. What you can do also is click plus here and add a table. Table is a really cool thing, and I will show you how to use it. You have two options. You can use table as a full page, but it's important. If you're going to use table as a full page, what will actually happen is that the table by full page, you can't delete it. When I'm going to choose table inline, you will create a table directly in your page, and you can simply delete it. Let me show you. But when I'm going to click a new page, and I would choose a database table, as you can see, I can't delete it. I need to delete my whole page. Now, let's go in further and let me show you how we can use table. Using table is really simple and it's intuitive. So I'm going to table of marketing action. I can choose like a name here, Facebook. I have a files here that someone can like edit. And when I'm going to click plus here, I can add here, I don't know, people or assigned. And I can choose property type to person. Right now, when I'm going to choose a person, it's like really simple. Then I can click plus here and choose a different property type, phone or email or date, when it's going to happen and finish, or checkbox that is like in or no. And then I will just press yes and okay, Facebook ads are solved. So this is how we can like simple use table. Then you just add it here. Now, another thing that you can do is to, like, let me show you the income and expenses that I created as a like example. So what I can do here is to add a simple column. So I would just click here and I would add, I don't know, 5,000 and expenses 1,200 euro. Now, when I have it, I can click plus here, add a formula. Now I would choose subtract as a minus, and then I would go with here income, expenses, close, like this. And as you can see, for every month it's going to automatically calculate everything I need, and this is how you can simply use the Notion. And this is how amazing it is. Like, it's a connectivity of Trello, Google Sheet, Google Words, everything in one program. Now, and this is how you can simply add also, like, I don't know, let's delete this one page, add a new page. You can also add a board. This is like when I have for every day what I'm going to do. Again, I just name it. Okay, and I just take it to North started, in progress, completed. Simple as that. It's like really easy. And then you can also create a list here, calendar, if you want to. And again, you just add here your everything you need. And this is pretty much it how we do it. So I don't know what else should I show you, because this is why I choose and I use Notion, because I have everything here that I need. I don't need to use Sheets. I don't need to use anything else. I just use personally everything Notion. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.